Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Andi. On this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled Student Perception in the Use of Digital Storytelling as a Learning Medium and Improving Speaking Skills in English. This research focused on how students respond to the use of digital storytelling in English learning, especially in improving in English. The next slide is background. In the digital era, learning media has transformed how languages are taught. Digital storytelling introduces multimedia to develop listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. It enhances interaction, creativity, and effectiveness in language education. Currently, we are in the digital era where learning media is not only limited to print books, but also use technologies such as video, audio, and animation. One interesting form of digital media is digital storytelling, which is a way of telling stories using multimedia. Through this method, students not only learn to speak but also listen, write, and develop creativity in making stories. And the next slide is research question. In my research, begin with two main questions. The first one is what is the perception of English students towards digital storytelling as a learning medium? And the second one is how does digital storytelling affect students' speaking skills improvement? The next slide is research objectives. In my research objectives have two main points. The first one is to understand student perception of digital storytelling in English learning, and the second one is to evaluate its impact of improving English speaking skills. Based on the question above, the purpose of this study is to find out student perception of the use of digital storytelling and also to see the extent to which this media has an effect on improving their speaking skills in English. And the next slide is significance of research. In my research has two benefits, such as theoretically and practically. Theoretically, it can enrich the literature of English learning based on digital media. Meanwhile, practically, it can help teachers to use learning media that is more creative and in accordance with the characteristic of the current generation. And the next slide is theoretical review of first definition and process of perception, internal and external influence factors, and the perception cycle. In this study, I discussed about perception, which is how a person understands and responds to something. Perception is formed from internal factors such as personal interests and experiences, as well as external factors and such as visual appearance or the surrounding environment. And next slide is digital storytelling. Digital storytelling combines multimedia with storytelling. It is flexible, interactive, and accessible. It improves grammar, pronunciation, motivation, and fluency. Digital storytelling is a storytelling technique using technologies such as video, music, sound, and text. This method is flexible, can be used by anyone, encourages student interaction and creativity. Digital storytelling has been proven to improve aspects of pronunciation, grammar, and student confidence when speaking. And the next slide is speaking skills. Speaking skills involve pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. These are essential for effective combination and language mastery. Speaking skills are one of the important aspects of the English language. In the study, I emphasize four main components. The first one is pronunciation, word choice, fluency in speech, and comprehension of speech context. All, all of this requires proper practice, and digital storytelling can be one of the media. And the next slide is conceptual framework. In my PowerPoint, I have a structure of my research. The first one is active English student, and then digital storytelling, and under is student perception of the use of digital storytelling as a learning media, and the second one is the influence of digital storytelling in improving speaking skill in English. This is a conceptual framework for my research. And student perception and digital storytelling influence the improvement of English speaking skills. The conceptual framework of this study explained that the use of digital storytelling, student perception are interrelated in supporting improvement of their speaking skills. This medium motivates students to learn and actively participate in English language learning. And the next slide is research design. Uh, this research uses a qualitative descriptive method because I want to explore students' experiences and opinions more deeply. Data was obtained through direct observation and interview with active students who have used digital storytelling in learning. And the next slide is participant and data collection. The subject of this study is an active student at the Faculty of Language and Letters UNM who has used digital storytelling. The data was collected through semi-structured interviews and observation, so that so that so that I could get more accurate and conceptual data. And the last slide is data analysis. The collected data will be analyzed through three stages. The first one is data reduction. Data reduction to filter out important information. And the second one is the presentation of the data. For the presentation of the data in visual form, such as table or graphs. And the last one is drawing conclusion to answer the research objective truthfully and validly. Maybe it's all for me for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.